Today I'm headed into the Nature of Body for a massage and body scrub with Rachael Vollmer. I'm very excited to come in today because I've had a very long week, and she's using 100% pure for her lotions and body scrub, and I have chosen the eucalyptus mint.
So I am just waking up from my massage and scrub with Rachael. I definitely fell asleep halfway through the massage. The body scrub was really wonderful. My skin feels very soft and exfoliated, and the minty eucalyptus scent was lovely. My shoulders feel so much better after the massage, and I can't wait to come back next time I have sore muscles and need to relax.